Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. So this video is actually a lot different than my normal videos. I'm asking you guys for help because I want to hear your guys' opinion on this. I made a video earlier this morning asking, well, maybe not asking, but telling drivers that Uber and Lyft have come together to basically encourage drivers to reach out to, let me pull up the email here. Basically, they asked drivers to reach out to the California government because of the law that's basically about to be passed. Well, there already was a bill that was passed to make Uber and Lyft drivers employees. So I personally I don't know what it's gonna look like if we do become employees. It looks like there will be a set schedule for driving, at least in California for now. But I don't know. I'm not an expert by any means. Like, I just run this channel and I'm a driver like you watching, and I like to talk. And you know, I honestly kind of make this more like a Facebook page where I just like make videos, make posts, and then you guys comment down below. But I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Should we sign this petition? This is the email that I got. Everybody in California at least got. Dylan, recent changes to California law could threaten your access to flexible work with Uber. Unless lawmakers take action now to modernize the law, you could lose your ability to work with multiple apps and control when and where you drive. We know that flexibility is important to you and we're working to protect it. Also, blah, 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 they come to Uber and Lyft are coming together, which is big, to call on lawmakers to support a better path for rideshare drivers. We're advocating for rules that would improve earnings, expand driver benefits, and create an association to represent drivers. Your voice is missing from this conversation, and lawmakers need to hear what is important to you. If you guys don't know, Uber, yeah, basically the California Assembly they wrote a bill to make Uber and Lyft drivers and some other gig workers employees, like to have healthcare, employee benefits, like a set minimum wage. Oh yeah, a right to organize, sorry. I'm tired. As you guys can see, my French press is not yet ready, so I'm making this video while it gets ready. But yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you want drivers to make more money. Give the video a big thumbs up if you want to have more rights as a driver of Uber or Lyft or any gig workers apps. But yeah, and then here's the petition. I'm gonna bring it up right now. I need your guys' help because, like I said, this is more like a Facebook group, I feel like, where I just like post videos, and like this is more of a question for you guys because I honestly don't know. They brought up this petition for drivers to sign, and it's already like a set email. I know the Rideshare Professor made a video. I got a few comments on my last one. I got a bunch of people asking me, countless texts, countless emails. I don't want to show you my phone because I don't want to, you know, put phone numbers on blast. But yeah, everyone is basically my phone number is now in the description of the video, so everyone's just calling me because I don't know, whatever. But yeah, and then everyone's asking me like, should I sign this? And I honestly don't know. I mean, I want you to do whatever you think is right. I'm not gonna tell you yes or no. Like the Rideshare Professor basically told everyone to not sign it because Uber and Lyft has never had our back. But at the same time, like, if we don't sign it, then we could easily just lose our jobs because we would have to become employees. We wouldn't lose our jobs, but like, we would have to start working set schedules, work for minimum wage, and right now, guys, I make way more than that. So I don't know. This is the petition. I'm gonna keep this short, but let me know in the comments below, should we sign this? Tell the California legislature to protect rideshare and driver flexibility. Even if you're not in California, you didn't get this email, I would still want to hear your thoughts for everyone in California. There's a lot of people in California, so even if you live in Texas or Florida or New York, wherever you might live, I'm not going to name off all 50 states. I want to hear your comments too. Should we sign this? Recent changes to California. Oh yeah, I already pretty much read that in the previous email. That's just like going over it, but this is the petition. So you write your full name, your zip code, phone, email. I don't know, it's like this weird website too. Yeah. But this is the petition. So if I sign this, this is my message. and then we add a story. So like, I feel like Uber just, or the California's just gonna get massive amounts of these emails or petitions, but and I think, yeah, you can also change that if you want. But yeah, this is the email. So I'm writing to ask the California legislature to respond to the dynamics decisions to take action to protect flexibility of rideshare drivers. As someone who oh yeah, I think I deleted work or drives or something. I'll just replace it with has fun. As someone who has fun with Uber, I rely on the unique flexibility that this work provides. I strongly support an effort by the legislature to update labor laws to protect and improve this type of work. Please take action to protect ride sharing in California. Then you can add your story here, why you chose to work with Uber. You guys know my story. I chose to work, this is hard to type with one hand, to pay off debt. Are you going to sign this petition? Let me know, should I sign this? Again, I'm no expert, I'm just asking you guys' advice, and then if you don't live in California, do you think we should sign it? Give the video a thumbs up if you, if you think rideshare drivers should make more money. What I would really like is increase in pay, increase in employee healthcare benefits, and no set schedule. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you want in the comment section below. I will talk to y'all soon. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. Alright, bye guys.